Hey people, in this video you'll learn all you need to know when it comes to replacing the Toyota Corolla hybrid battery filter, including the interval, how often it should be performed, the steps and tools to get the job done for free, and lastly the part number so you can find it. Here's the official Toyota maintenance logs. As you can see, they ask for you to inspect the HV battery cooling intake filter every 5,000 miles. I personally think that's a little obsessive. You'll see the original filter that is 2 years old and has 45,000 miles on it a little bit later on in this video, but it was pretty clean. Regardless, that's what they suggest, so I'm sharing it with you. Next, open the rear driver's side door. Gently remove the plastic trim or vent cover using a trim removal tool or a screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the clips. The filter housing has some tabs. You'll need to pry and poke the old filter off of these tabs so it can remove itself. Put the new one back into its place. Snap the vent cover or trim piece back into place. Press firmly around all the edges to make sure it's secure. And that's it. Lastly, we're going to share in this part the cost and part number so you can look it up. At the time of this video, this filter is not available on Amazon, whether it was OEM or a knockoff third-party vendor making the filter. The part number is G92DH-12060. Good luck finding it. Well, that sums up this quick little video. Feel free to check out my 2023 Corolla hybrid oil change video and follow the channel if you're interested in other Toyota related hybrid video content as well as other projects done around the home. Thanks and have a good day.